How to cancel Discord subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you are wondering how you can cancel out your Discord subscription, you have made it to the correct video. For this, all you need to do is head back from your Discord application. Then launch your Play Store in your device. Just make sure that you are logged in with the same account in your Play Store with which you have purchased your Discord subscription. From the list of options, once you tap on the user icon, navigate to Payments and Subscription. From all of these options, check out the Subscriptions option. Over here, if you have subscribed to your Discord, you will see Discord right here. At the side of Discord, you may see the button Edit or Manage. Tap on either of the button, then tap on the Cancel button. After which, you will have to tap on Cancel again for confirmation. By this way, you'll be able to cancel your Discord subscription. Wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.